Game keeps flagging the Steamstub Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Follow me for the safest way to restore your gaming library. To start our guide for Steamstub Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Steamstub Library, a component of the Steam DRM digital rights management system. It manages the localized stub that wraps the game executable to verify ownership before launch. Because it performs process inspection, it is a primary target for antivirus heuristics. If missing, the game will fail to launch or report a license verification error. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Because Steamstub Library DLL is specific to the Valve Steam DRM Stub runtime environment, standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program where the error occurs to refresh the application and restore the file. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Steamstub library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. If you're attempting to register Steamstub Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Steamstub Library. To keep Steamstub Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.